subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched two new smartphones under S series in China called Vivo S10 and S10 Pro, which comes with a photochromic back that changes the color of the phone while exposing to a sunlight. Both of these devices looks identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Vivo S10 Pro is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S10 Pro features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and the screen supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU, and it packs with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo S10 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has a wide notch at the top center that houses a dual 44 plus 8MP selfie camera with dual soft LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by 4050 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.2 by 73.67 by 7.43 mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S10 Pro has been priced in China at 3,399 Chinese yuan, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in gradient blue, lime, velvet white, and black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 23rd. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S10 Pro 5G phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.